In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect your Tidio with a Pipedrive. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Tidio admin panel, and then from here you'll need to log into your account. From here it should look something like this. And here you'll need to go over to the left hand side and click integrations down here. From here you'll get this menu up, and here you'll need to find Pipedrive. And if you can't find it, you'll simply need to go up to the search bar and click in Pipedrive like so. From here you'll click learn more and then click install Pipedrive. When that is installed, it should look something like this. And here you can see you'll need to add in an account or access token. And this is the API key. So from here you'll need to go up to Pipedrive and log into your account or create an account if you don't already have for them. Then from here you'll need to go over to the right hand side and click your personal preferences. And then from here you'll see right beside account and your companies, you'll see the API right here. From here you'll simply just click here and click either copy or generate a new token. And from here just copy it and go over to Tidio panel and just paste it inside of Tidio and click add. And as you can see here, it is saved now and Pipedrive has been installed. If you click down here, you can view integrations and you will be able to uninstall it if you don't want it anymore. That's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!